Hey guys, it's dopeshart channel here with you today, and I have bought myself a Boeing 777 Worldliner by Ramses on xplan.org.com. It was $60. I was just bored. Um, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through a before start and start checklist for you guys. I'm not gonna be flying yet because I just don't have time to. I'll make another video on that like tomorrow or something. I have to leave in like half hour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start on it now. Alright, so first off we're gonna start off with turning our battery on. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix the sound so you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. So then we're gonna turn our bus ties to auto. We're gonna turn custom failures off, real time off, and real limits off because those are just a pain in the ass. We're gonna do 225 passengers, 3,500 weights, and just as a random number, we're gonna just do 50 APU and 20 taxi, and we're gonna do 25,000. Okay. Turn GPUs on, stairs and fuel truck and chocks, and we're gonna load the fuel. Alright. So as all that is loading, we're gonna turn the adder on. Sorry, I'm a little sick. We're gonna turn the asymmetric thrust compensation on, auto. As you can hear, there's people getting out of the plane right now. They should be finished in here. Alright, they're done. I'm gonna go ahead and close that door. If it'll let me. Apparently not. So we'll just get back to that later. This little menu isn't even going away. Huh. Oh, there it goes. So we can close that door. Alright. Just had a little glitch there. No worries. Our APU generator. And then we're gonna start the APU. Okay. Engine generators. Oh, that's the little warning. Okay. Now we're gonna turn our engine generators on. The backup generators, which are here. Let's see. What's next? Window heats. So we're gonna turn those on here. Primary hydraulic pumps. Left and right engines. Okay. Now we're gonna do passenger signs to auto, or smoking on, seatbelts to auto. Now we're gonna do fire test. I believe. Yep. So I'm gonna let you guys hear the fire test. As you can tell, it's a good sound for an X-plane thing. So fire test, jeez. Engines ECC mode or EEC mode. Okay. What's next? Auto start on. Wings anti-ice. Auto. Engines on audio. Engines auto ice auto. Navigation lights. Okay. Wow. Alright. Now we're gonna turn our isolation valves on. APU bleed on. We're gonna do trim airs. We're gonna turn the packs on. Fans on. Set the temp. Come on, you shit. It's cold out, so we're gonna make it nice and warm in there. Okay. And we're gonna turn my outflow valves on. Accept warnings on EKs. So I'm gonna press the accept button, and all the yellow ones are gonna go away. Turn the comm radios on. I'm not gonna be flying, so don't really need them. Damn, man. Alright. I'm gonna enter the position on my FMS. So by doing that, I'm gonna click my FMS. I'm gonna click FMS 1 act. Okay, I'm gonna click clear here, clear position, and I'm at Seattle. So I'm gonna type in K Seattle. And I'm gonna press this button here. That's my reference airport. This one you don't really need, but you could use. But I would recommend using this one for a more accurate GPS. So I'm gonna click this one and click down here, and it's gonna turn my ADIRUs on or my primary flight. Nah, all right. So I'm gonna go to route. Don't need to get into that right now. I'll have that in another tutorial. That's the end of before start checklist. Now we're gonna go to engine start checklist. Let's see. Alright, so we're gonna do center electrical hydraulic pumps, which are right here. Center 1, center 2. Left fuel pumps, right fuel pumps, beacon light on, left engine fuel flow, don't know why I don't have a display. Oh, there it is. Alright. So now that we have fuel flow in the left one, we're going to go ahead and turn the left engine on by starting it right here. Can't really hear the engine starting this advanced airplane here, but you can see it on my little thing here. So we have to watch to see. That's a little message for me. Caution, yes, I know engines are starting. So I have to check my engine rate, so that'll take like a minute or so maybe. I mean, you can just see so much detail put into this plane. Like on the engine start, you see the screens flicker like it always does. Let's look outside. Look at the left engine. Hold on. Starting up perfectly. Not really supposed to start the engine until you taxi, but not really worried about it. Alright, so the engine started perfectly. So now I'm going to the right engine. I'm going to check parameters of left, check APU off. So, I'm going to turn the APU off by switching this knob to off. Okay. Right engine fuel flow. Okay. Now sometimes I can't get the right engine to start for some reason. So I'm hoping that God loves me tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this engine. Doesn't sound like it's doing anything. Of course it's not. I just don't know why this right engine doesn't start. Alright, so apparently my right engine has some kind of defect. Maybe I should just turn my APU on again. Okay. Or the checklist just may be wrong. So I'm going to try and start it again with the APU on. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything. So, we'll just act like it started. So I'm going to turn left hydraulical demand pumps on by clicking these on auto and right on auto. Centers on auto. Alright. So that is your startup checklist for the Boeing 777 Worldliner. I hope you guys get to seeing this video. I thank you for watching this video and have a safe flight. Please subscribe, like, and do anything you want. I just click the button so it won't make these things shut up unless I turn the autopilot on. Alright, so thank you for watching.